Okay, for one of my the projects I have with one of my clients, I needed to use a Wi-Fi and Bluetooth functionality. So I did some research between different options, and I decided particularly between Sparkfun ESP32 Thing and the ESP32 Featherboard from Adafruit. So I finally decided to go with Sparkfun's version, and but I noticed something is missing in Adafruit Featherboard for ESP32. You have the functionality to measure the voltage from the attached battery, but you don't have that feature by default on ESP32. And I tell you why. I did some research and I couldn't find a solution, but I found a solution myself, and that's why I'm making this video. So this is the solution for this problem. If you want to measure the voltage of the battery and from there infer how much charge you have in your battery, this is how you do it. So on the board we have 2 pins on each side for V battery and ground. So the manual for Sparkfun 32 says that you can use the V battery pin to recharge the connected battery, the lithium-ion battery, through the board instead of recharging the board through the USB port. So I just measured the voltage at V battery and noticed that the V battery is basically, that pin is directly connected to your positive wire. So I could measure the voltage of the battery directly by measuring the voltage between V battery and ground. So then I decided to use that point for measuring the voltage of this point, this pin or the other one, to measure the battery of the voltage. But there is a problem. The problem is that although the voltage of the battery on the nominal voltage of the battery is 3.7 volts, when I measured the voltage of this battery with my multimeter, I measured up to over 4 volts when it's fully charged. So and then you can't measure that voltage directly by using the GPIO, any of these GPIO ports, because they are limited to 3.6 volts. If you measure anything beyond that, you will damage your board. So I decided to use a voltage divider between the ground and V battery. Just ignore this brown wire, that's for another part of the circuit, the project. So I attached two 100 kilo ohm resistors to each of these points, and then connect the other end to each other. So basically I made a voltage divider, and then I'm measuring the voltage, like half of the voltage of the battery. So so basically what I'm doing is that even if I attach a 4 volts battery to the board, to my Sparkfun board, when I divide it by 2, it drops to 2 volts, and that's measurable by GPIO. Even if it's 5 volts or even 6 volts, yeah, it's doable. So so in this case, in this project, I'm using, like, I guess GPIO port 35 for measuring the voltage, but I think you can use any other GPIOs for doing this measurement. So I thought I would share this information with whoever is interested. what you need to remember is that even though you measure the voltage, that's not directly an indication of how much charge you have in your battery. You have to do some calibration and figure out what voltage is related to how much capacity, and it's normally not a linear relationship. So let me tell you how the other boards work. So in Adafruit Feather Huza, for example, what you have is that you have this feature built in. So basically what they did is that they directly dedicated one of your GPIOs for measuring the battery. So I don't like that feature personally, because I want to have the freedom to decide if I want to use my GPIO for measuring the battery voltage, or I just want to free that up for another purpose. So for that reason, I like Sparkfun ESP32 Thing over the Adafruit version, because I have more freedom for my design. All right, thank you and have a good one.